In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel. After login on GitHub, I recommend you for login same email on GitHub and Vercel. You can see I already log in. Then I need to click on repositories. Then click on new. I need to set a name. Okay, description I already add. Then click on create repositories. Now you need to upload a file. I upload this G file as well. Okay, now scroll down. Wow, it's uploaded. Now click on this one, process your file. That's good. Now going on Vercel. After login, you can see import git repositories. Just click on Vercel. Then now into authentication, it's you. Again click on here. Okay, you can see all repositories. Then I click on second one because it's specific. Then wow, number 2 option. Now scroll down, then click on installing. That's it. Thanks for watching.